Solar cell or photovoltaic cell, PV cell, is an electronic device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity by means of the photovoltaic effect. 1. It is a form of photoelectric cell, a device whose electrical characteristics, such as current, voltage, or resistance, vary when it is exposed to light. Individual solar cell devices are often the electrical building blocks of photovoltaic modules, known colloquially as solar panels. The common single-junction silicon solar cell can produce a maximum open-circuit voltage of approximately 0.5 to 0.6 volts. 2. A conventional crystalline silicon solar cell, as of 2005. Electrical contacts made from busbars, the larger silver-colored strips, and fingers, the smaller ones, are printed on the silicon wafer. Symbol of a photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cells may operate under sunlight or artificial light. In addition to producing energy, they can be used as a photodetector, for example infrared detectors, detecting light or other electromagnetic radiation near the visible range, or measuring light intensity. The operation of a PV cell requires three basic attributes: the absorption of light, generating excitons, bound electron-hole pairs, unbound electron-hole pairs, via excitons, or plasmons. The separation of charge carriers of opposite types. The separate extraction of those carriers to an external circuit. In contrast, a solar thermal collector supplies heat by absorbing sunlight, for the purpose of either direct heating or indirect electrical power generation from heat. A photoelectrolytic cell, photoelectrochemical cell, on the other hand, refers either to a type of photovoltaic cell, like that developed by Edmund Becquerel and modern dye-sensitized solar cells, or to a device that splits water directly into hydrogen and oxygen using only solar illumination. Photovoltaic cells and solar collectors are the two means of producing solar power.